Hello. The owner of this car has a belt buckle issue. We are going to try to fix it. So the issue is there, this buckle there. If we take it, it's complaining. Oh, I'm holding the camera with one hand, so let's see. Good angle, and goes in. Doesn't want to lock. We're gonna try to fix that. I think I will start with air. Blow it a little bit. Try to, I'm not sure it's gonna work, but it's a try. Oh, let's try like this. Maybe there's a dirt in it. Then I'm gonna try cleaner, so-called brake cleaner. So we spray that in here. A little bit brake cleaner, so we can get it to loosen up. Seems to be a little bit damaged though, like that. Now we try to just push it a couple of times. Let's see, just jerk it around and then take the buckle, and now it's better. Could be maybe a little bit better. I have to push it hard, a little bit hard. But yeah, sorry about the shaking. Okay, that did not do the trick. Let's see what next. Okay, a little bit WD-40 or PP plaster, a little bit on it, maybe loosen stuff. Whatever you have, and just push a couple of times, let it lay a little bit. Well, PP plaster or WD-40, and you're gonna hear the click. Done. See, easy, no problem. I think it's fixed. So let's go to the next project.